Language processing. So this is an important part in intelligent agents action, because it will be getting an input. It will be getting some language, usually English or any one of the language will be got as input by this agent. So what is the task of this agent? Is it has to process that. It has to process that language, and based on the language it has to react. Okay, so as this language is a communicating methodology, this intelligent agent has to process it. So um, the input and output of natural language processing can be speech and written text. As we know, either it can be a speech, one person will speak and he will be expecting a reply from the agent, otherwise a text will be given and a reply of text has to be given by the agent. Either two things will happen in language processing. So what it does is, first, there are two components of this natural language processing. The first one is the natural language has to be understood, and then natural language has to be generated. Why it has to be understood is, only after understanding it can generate and it can give the output. Okay. So first, in natural language understanding, how it understand is, as I already said, the knowledge base will be in form of a tree or a hash table. So the natural language will be gathered. The speech will be recognized. Okay, using speech recognition hardware it will be recognized. But how it will reply, recognition can be made easily, but how it will be replying is based on mapping technique. Okay, so it will map the input in natural language into useful representation. So it may be a graph. Just we'll consider a graph. In a graph it will be represented, and after representing it will analyze the aspect of the language. First it will identify which type of language this is, and either it is syntactically and semantically correct, it will analyze, and after understanding it will generate the reply. Okay, so the second step here is natural language generation. So natural language generation, it's the process of producing meaningful phrases and sentences. As we have seen a lot of applications that will be predicting different languages in this world. Like if I know only English, the person who's in front of me knows Japanese. I can, with a simple app, what I can do is the Japanese language will be heard and it will give an output as English. This can be easily done, right? Nowadays this is being used in every part of the world. So this natural language generation is being fed into your agent. So just to do this, the meaningful phrases and sentences need to be made, because without meaning we cannot understand anything, right? So what happens inside is, first it need to plan the text, how the text should be, that will be planned, and then the sentence will be formed, and then text realization means, is this the correct answer, is this the correct response to the question. It will analyze. These three things will be carried out inside the agent. So there are certain steps that will be followed in natural language processing. The first one is lexical analysis. So lexical analysis means, based on the language it's been got as input, the collection of words and phrases will be represented. That is the first one. And then the grammar will be checked on that. Third one, the meaning is right or wrong, it will be checked. And after that, discourse integration, that is so there should be a connection, because the speech, it will be interrelated. So is that input got by the agent is interrelated, is there any continuity in their speech, that will be checked. Okay, and then pragmatic analysis is the last one, because while speaking a language, instead of direct meaning there will be indirect meaning also. So its reinterpretation is carried out in pragmatic analysis. So all these are the steps that's been carried out in natural language processing.